So we're here at a pond that's been in for about 18 months now, and we're seeing how well the native vegetation has grown up around this pond. Now, originally when this pond went in, we planted 4 different species of sort of natural wetland plants. So we planted this small green-leafed low plant around the edge. This is crassula. We also planted this spike rush around the edge, which spreads naturally through runners. I also planted milfoil, which is now thickening up quite nicely around the edge, and also in the deeper water, which is spread to the shallows, a plant called milfoil, sorry, not milfoil, water ribbons. That's this one here, and it's also flowering and seeding and coming along really well. But one of the problems that has developed in this pond is it's become a little bit infested with kumbungi. So one of the problems with kumbungi is it gets in naturally, probably wind-blown from the seeds, or it's brought in by birds and things, and it can start to take over the pond completely, and it will eventually choke out a lot of the other plants, the aquatic plants we've put in there as habitat. The best way to get rid of it is really to cut it and then paint it with Roundup. So cut it low and hand paint it with Roundup as a way of controlling it. But it's almost impossible to get rid of, and really it just needs to be one of these continuous management things. I mean, in itself it's not bad because it does provide habitat for frogs and things, but when it starts to take over the pond, it reduces the amount of open water in the centre of the pond and sort of turns it into effectively a monoculture, and that's really sort of not good for the diversity that that these ponds are promoting. So periodic control of kumbungi is an ongoing management issue that pond owners will need to deal with.